All right, so what I've done here is I've got my dowel rod, my string, and then my mass here. It's actually a battery. We're going to kind of pretend that it's 100 grams, but it's going to work just the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my dowel rod here, and I have a lovely assistant, my wife, over here. And when I say go, she's going to start timing it. We're going to see how long does it take me to lift the 100 gram mass. So again, I've got this. It's 1 meter, the length that we're going to lift this. So ready, go. All right, so I'm going to do this absolutely as fast as I possibly can. And as you can see, the mass is stop. Now, from the, if you can see this on here, but that's almost record time of 6.79 seconds. All right, so that time we said was I'm going to round it up to 8 seconds. And so that's step 5. Step 6, all right, step 7, calculate the average velocity the mass was lifting up the 1 meter mark. So right here's my equation for average velocity, and we're going to say the distance equals v times t, and the distance was 1 meter, equals a velocity is what we want to solve for, and the time was the 6.8 seconds. Well, if we divide both sides by 6.8, the velocity turns out to be, and we get 0.15. I mean, it was smoking. That's how fast it was going. 1.5 meters per second. Not very fast at all. So up here, I would put in that 0, put my answer, meters per second. Kinetic energy. Now it says calculate the kinetic energy recorded in table 1. So the kinetic energy is going to be 1/2 mv squared. That means the kinetic energy here is going to be 1/2 times the mass of 0.1 times the velocity of 0.15 squared. So the kinetic energy is going to be really small because it's not a very big mass and it's not moving very fast. So our kinetic energy was ultra small. I got an answer of 0.001 joules. So I've led you through the first part here, how to find these. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to provide you with a video of me winding up a 200 gram mass and then what would be a 500 gram mass. And then you guys would be able to go through these steps and find the weight, the work, the potential energy, the velocity, and the kinetic energy for both of those as well. Well, hey, I hope this is beneficial. I'll catch you in the next video.